Today is November 13th, 2025. Today we're going to look at the SPY again. The SPY performed excellent today, just like all of our other products using the SlingShot Trader. You'll notice we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 qualified SlingShot Trader setups today. They all touch the EMA. They all have the slingshot pattern, and the background direction is red. And our system plots all of this automatically on the screen. So our first trade max move was $1.42. Our second trade today max move was $3.64. Third trade was $1.56. Fourth trade was $2.40, and the fifth trade was $1.67. You can see this plotted right on the screen. Our average move on our trades is $1. So if you invest $2,000, $2,500 on a 40 or 50 delta, your return is around $500 a move. Not a bad day trading before 12:30 Eastern Time, and it doesn't get any better. If you want to check us out, go to wallstreeteducation.com. Have a great day.